Hi there and welcome to our short video introduction about our company IT Near You. Are you in the Kapiti coast area and you need some computer assistance? Perhaps you got a new iPhone, maybe you got a new Mac, perhaps you got a new Windows notebook, or maybe your wireless in your house is giving a bit of a problem. We're IT Near You. We support the entire greater Wellington region. We do quite a couple of trips up to the Kapiti coast, got a few businesses there we look after, as well as home users. So no matter what your problem as far as IT goes, if you need advice on what website platform to use, perhaps you need to change your email from one system to another, maybe using Google, you're not happy with that, you want to switch to Microsoft 365, perhaps you need assistance with SharePoint in your business, maybe your home computer has got some sort of an issue, maybe your Siri isn't working properly, or maybe your Google Home isn't working properly, or perhaps your Alexa isn't syncing properly, maybe your Sonos smart speaker isn't working. Anything IT related, heck, even smart TVs, we can help with those, as well as Apple TVs, etc., etc. If it's tech related, give the IT company near you a call and we'll help you. We are IT Near You, the computer support and services company near you up the Kapiti coast.